Hello everybody, welcome to Scientific Moments with Miss Carol, a simplified way of learning science. Today we are looking at the atomic structure, and this topic is for IGCSE level. So let's look at our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define what an atom is. You should describe the structure of an atom. You should state the charges and masses of subatomic particles, and you should distinguish between atomic number and mass number. So let's get started. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of matter that cannot break down further by chemical means. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Solids, liquids, and gases are all made up of atoms. Everything around us is also made up of atoms, be it a tree, your body, the food you eat, and the water you drink is all made up of atoms. Now let's look at the subatomic particles. Atoms have three parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. At the center of an atom is the nucleus, which consists of protons and neutrons. And surrounding the nucleus are shells or energy levels, which contains electrons, and these electrons orbit the nucleus. Now let's look at the mass and charge of subatomic particles. All the particles of an atom are very light, so their mass is not measured in grams, but is measured in atomic mass units. Protons and electrons also have an electric charge. So here we have a table summarizing the mass as well as the charges of these subatomic particles. Protons and neutrons have a mass of 1 atomic unit, while electrons have a mass of 1 over 1840, which is almost nothing, or it's negligible. In terms of charges, protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. Now let's look at atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, and this is used to identify an atom because each atom has a unique proton number. So for example, hydrogen has a proton number of 1, or atomic number of 1. Carbon has an atomic number of 6, that means it has 6 protons. Oxygen has 8 protons, therefore it has an atomic number of 8. The mass number, or the nuclear number, is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. So let's look at examples. The 3 atoms that we had in our previous slide: hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. The number of protons for hydrogen is 1, so that's the atomic number. For carbon is 6. For oxygen is 8. The number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. So we can say that an atom is neutral because you have, for example, carbon, you have 6 positive protons and 6 negative electrons. Now let's do a quick quiz to test your understanding. Question 1, which part of an atom has no charge? Question 2, where are protons found? Question 3, what does the atomic number represent? If you can't answer 1 or 2 or 3 of these questions, then you can go back and try to understand this topic. Thank you very much for watching Scientific Moments with Miss Carol. Our next lesson is on electron configuration. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you get notified when I post my new video. Thank you.